Hey YouTube friends, in this video I will walk you through how you can use Canva to create a hanging tag for your products using Canva and vistaprint. I am a swimwear designer and creator for my swimwear line MCNY Swim. I cut business costs by using canva.com to design my business branding products for my swimwear line. First, you will need to go to canva.com. In the search bar, type clothing tag. You will find several designs to choose from. Once you find a template you like, click on the Customize This Template button. For my clothing tags, I choose a design template that is 2 inches by 3.5 inches. Now you can customize the template that you chose and make it your own. For my tags, I changed the background color, added my logo, my website info, and care instructions. Once you have finished your design, click on the Share button and export the tag as a PNG. Once you have the tag design saved, you can go to a website like vistaprint.com and order your tags. Or an even more cost-effective option would be to purchase cardstock and print the tags yourself at home. This is how the tag looks printed. I also use Canva to generate and add a QR code that brings customers to my website.